Hello everyone friends on the Weller Canal. Today I will show you how to get a free chat in Among Us. To do this, go to Play, click Online, find a game, and look for games with free chat only. This is go to Chat and select Free Chat here. If you don't have available, yes, let's say free chat is not available, then you need to go to the browser, yes, and accordingly, but first make sure that you are logged into the account, because if you play without an account, then you will not have a free chat. If you still have an account and the free chat still does not work, here we write free chat among us. Here we will have accordingly the official website of Among Us. I'll find him now. Here it is, this site. Here is the inner slot help center. Yes, go to it, and accordingly here, if it is written that you may not have a free chat due to the fact that you are not logged into your account or you have parental control enabled. If you don't have parental controls and are logged in, then click Fill Ticket and fill out a ticket about your chat. That's it. Well, here we write an account and fill in all this. That's all. Weller is with you. Bye, everyone.